Hi guys, my name is Mohammed and today's video about CSSE revision for equation with area and parameter. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna discuss about the exam style questions. This is very important video for the exam style questions. Yeah, for 2026. Yeah, okay, for the entry. So the first things I'm gonna discuss about few questions, okay? So look at this one. This is a rectangle, yeah, okay? And the values for this rectangle is 4x minus 1, okay? And 2x plus 7, yeah, okay? This is the first rectangle. And the second rectangle is same as, okay, like this. And the values are x plus 12 and 3x plus 5, and they said the parameter for these rectangle A and B, yeah, are same. Okay, whenever they say the parameter are same, how to work out this type of equation, yeah, okay? So look at this one. I'm gonna write here 2x plus 7, yeah, okay? 2x plus 7, yeah, okay? Because if this side 2x, 7, yeah, so look at this side equal to each other, yeah, okay? And now is 4x. So 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. We're going to add together. So 4x, okay, 2x is going to be 12x. And same as 7 plus 7 is 14, and 14 take away 2, 14. Yeah, these are minus 2. So it's going to be plus 12. Yeah. So this is the expression for the rectangle A. Now exactly the same way you need to do for the rectangle B. Yeah. So if you go for the rectangle B, it says the values. Yeah. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. So x. So x 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5. Yeah. Because this side equal to this side, yeah, okay, and same as we're gonna do x plus 12, x plus 12, yeah, okay. So look at this side and this side equal each other. So now we need to add all x values, 3x, okay, 6x, 7 and 8x, yeah, okay, and you're going to add this one as well. So 12 plus 12 is 24, 24 plus 10 is 34, yeah. So this is the expression for rectangle B. And examiners say the parameter for these rectangles are same, yeah, okay. So how we work out this one, yeah, okay. So very simple. You need to work out this one. So look at this one. So x value are there. Yeah, look at this one. So this is 12x and this is 8x. Whichever the lower value move to the higher value side. Yeah, okay. So it's going to be, yeah, minus 8x. We are doing both side. Yeah, okay. So this is plus 8x and minus 8x cancel. So look at this one. You get 34 and 12 take away 8 is going to be 4x plus 12. Now this 12 number value going to be cancelled, minus 12 both side. Okay, so you can see this plus 12 minus 12 is cancelled. Now I would say for x equal to 34, take away 12 is 2 and 2, so you get 22. Now 4 is times by x, so it means the inverse of times is division. Okay, so we're gonna divide by both sides 4, so you will get the answer. 4 times 4 is 1, so the x equal to 4 times 5 is 20. Yeah, okay, and the remainder is 2, and 2 fourth is going to be cancelled by 1 over 2. So the final answer 5 whole number 1 over 2, or you can say your answer for the x equal to 5.5. Yeah, so this is your final answer. Yeah, okay. So this is the way you can work out. Okay, so this is very simple, very easy. Okay, you can add the old x value with a column method. Yeah, okay, so you can find the value of x. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.